Right then. We're at St. John the Baptist Church in Broadwindsor, Dorset. Get the nuts up to keep the birds out. I've checked that it says opened. Look at this one. Wow. It's warm in here. Makes a change. Oh, it's beautiful. You'll hear some banging noise in the background. There's riffers out across the way. Across the graveyard. Look at that. Isn't beautiful? It's quite dark, dull in here, quite dark. So, I've been meaning to come to do this one for quite a while. I'm glad I've come now. Burton Broadstock. What's this? Broadstock, Broadwindsor, and Blackdown. Mothers Union. Is the war dead? Broadwindsor. Quite a few from here. It's only a little parish in the countryside. A new cover for my phone, as the other one was mangled. It's because I use my phone for my drone, and look at that, that's gorgeous, isn't it? So I'll keep pulling it out of the case. The Vickers. From 1314. Until 1980. I'm sure these columns are looking great. It says in columns. Say up here, oh, I can't read it all. Let's go over a bit. Says very dull in there. There's riffers across the way and they're fixing somebody's roof. See that one? Skull and crossbones. So, very substantial walls in here. These are hamstone. This stone here. Which comes from a quarry just across the border in Somerset. Look at this. Look at this. It's beautiful. That beautiful pulpit. Oh, here's a big fella looking down on you. Oh, lifelike, isn't it? Beautiful. Look at that flag floors. There goes the organ. I got a lady on this side. What's this one say? Shining right on. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Oh. The altar. Something written over here. What's it say? Can you see it? Beautiful. That's the far end. Beautiful. I'm inside the church and the bells are starting to ring for 9 o'clock, but I've missed the first 2 clunks. The belfry's up here. Oh, that's it then. There wasn't as many rings as I thought there'd be. But hey ho. Very nice. Cool.